These are two doves sitting on a wagon at Highland Hill Farm. We have a lot of doves in our field. These are Norway spruces, and we do allow hunting here for doves. And we're at 5275 West Swamp Road, Fountainville, PA, 18923. And they love to get on the little roadways. He just flew up onto the roadway. So give us a call. And we have lots of trees and shrubs here for you to come and see. And our hunting program for this year is, if you want to hunt for the day, you bring us a 6x6 by 12 foot locust, cedar, or pressure treated fence post. If you get a deer, if you're deer hunting, you get 3 free days. If you get 2 deer in any part of the season, you get the rest of the season for free, and I pay you $25 US. The only things we don't allow people to hunt here are foxes, because they do a lot of good. They eat rabbits and mice, which, oh, there goes some more doves. Oh, they're coming over, and they too are landing on this hay wagon. Let's see if I can zero in on that. Yeah, 2 more on there. Yep. Sportsmen love our green giant arborvitaes because they grow fast. They're effective for making screens and buffers along roadways to keep people from poaching their deer. And they also form a great habitat tree for deer. Although the deer don't eat them, in a grove of green giant arborvitae, the deer will find safety and comfort and bed down. The green giant grows upwards to 3 feet a year. It grows in many soil types, from zone 5 up to about zone 7 to 8. The green giant is known for growing up to 3 foot a year and can get 15 foot wide by 25 to 40 to 50 foot in height. It's an easy to plant tree. We have them in many sizes, from small seedlings up to 20 to 22 foot trees, and we do deliver and install throughout the East Coast. We can ship seedlings and small transplants by UPS. So give us a call for these or to go hunting at Highland Hill Farm, 215-651-8329. Thank you.